We are going to make our Thanksgiving meal, and our main stuff is turkey, potatoes, au gratin potatoes, and stuffing. For fruit, we are going to have mandarin oranges and cranberries. For vegetables, we're going to have corn, carrots, and then for dessert, we have pumpkin pie and chili cheesecake. We're preparing our turkey. There's skin on the turkey, so what we're going to do is we're going to lift some of it up. We're going to stuff some butter in there, put some dried up celery, and put this tea stuff in it, which is just going to make it smell. We're going to put back the skin, and then we're going to put some white pepper and some salt
on the skin. Then we're going to put the turkey in the covered pan, put it in the oven at 475 for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to lower it to 250 and then cook it for about an hour. The last hour really depends on how many pounds the turkey is, and every pound you wait 20 minutes, and this turkey is about 3 pounds, so about an hour. Right now we are going to butter and put the seasoning and the salt on the turkey.
Put the celery. Here's our turkey. Now melt.
Okay, I know how to whisk. Act your ladylike.
Melt.
Now I'm going to add some flour, little by little, little by little. Now that our dough is the right consistency, we're going to divide it into two and then roll it out to make our two pie crusts. Now with my hand, I'm going to give them as thin and as a round of shape as I can. And then when I get it to that point, I'm going to start rolling it with a roller with some flour. Now I'm going to put some flour on it and then make it the right shape.
Now Bubba and Maya are rolling it out.
Now I'm adding cinnamon and I'm adding nutmeg. Now I'm adding sugar, more the merrier. Whoa, that's a lot. That is more.
Now
The pies are finished. Now I'm putting in the crust for the cherry cheesecake.
Now we're going to make the filling. I just added the mix to the milk, and I'm going to stir it up. Now I'm pouring the filling onto the crust. Now we're going to make the stuffing.
And we're going to use boiling water, 4 tablespoons of butter, and the mix.
We are making mashed potatoes. What we have is boiled water, some milk,
Some butter, and some salt.
When it brings up to boil, we are going to put mashed potato flakes in there. Now I'm putting the mashed potato flakes in.
Oh. Now we're making carrots for our Thanksgiving meal.
Now we just made our corn and carrots and our Thanksgiving meal is done.
For our Thanksgiving meal, we are going to make a biscuit. Okay, take them out.
Take it.
I should pull the other.
Now we're putting the biscuits in.
The first one.
Now, it's been 30 minutes and the biscuits are done.
Where children and everybody was getting sick. They had this disease. Adults had to run away to get it.
Yeah.
There was a